CH Tech Global sent Yen Berhard, a company specialized in soft ground treatment. Bamboo Geotextile Composite System, a proven green and sustainable solution with cost and time savings for soft ground treatment. CH Tech Global has used the Bamboo Geotextile Composite System successfully for the treatment of various soft ground conditions, resulting in functional platform for construction of roads, housing, and industrial buildings. Bamboo Geotextile Composite System has unique application advantages. System capable of supporting very heavy construction safely over very thick soft subgrade, without attracting uncontrollable settlements.
Principle of system depends on the distribution of the load, thereby minimize the stress, as well as the equilibrium established will result in achieving more than 90% of the settlement instantaneously during construction.
Little, if any, site preparation or removal of unsuitable materials.
This will save cost and time, as well as finding venue for disposing these materials, which are often not welcome.
No surcharging, no bringing in more soil material and to cart away during consolidation, and thus no idling.
As compared to some of the traditional methods, surcharging over prolonged period is required, thus project idling is a common sight.
System can help to achieve enormous cost and time savings in project.
The presence of the bamboo grid geotextile layer ascertains the quantity of imported fill, otherwise its absence would have allowed the free mixing of the imported fill with the soft soil, leading to tremendous loss of the imported good soil, whereby the amount of imported soil cannot be easily quantified.
The use of bamboo in our system has imparted significant positive social impact by bringing economic benefits to rural indigenous population, who harvest and supply bamboos for the project.
The indigenous population thus participated in the development of the nation and at the same time helped to alleviate the state of poverty of the rural population by providing employment.
Bamboo Geotextile Composite System. It has been deployed in the treatment of very soft ground as well as in land reclamation. In this project at Telukpatik, Manyong, Perak, the bamboo frames are fabricated ex situ and hoisted into the water edge using long boom crane. The connected frames are covered with geotextile. Suitable import material are spread evenly on top the geotextile using back pusher. The soil is then compacted until universally prescribed FDD is obtained. Now, the long boom crane cannot deliver the frames fabricated ex situ to the required position, as it is beyond its reach. Hoist the frames to the water edge. Manually load it into the water. It floats. The swimming teams of people guide the floating bamboo frames, slotting them into position. Now the entire area has been covered with bamboo grids. The water in the pond was discharged, until only residual amount is left. More imported fill on top of the geotextile, and the fill is compacted. In a matter of short period of time, marginal land will be a beautiful platform suitable for further development. It begins with a piece of mangrove swamp. With tidal influence will be transformed into a beautiful platform for housing, with minimum clearing of the unsuitable materials. Bamboo grids are made in situ, geotextile laid over the bamboo frames, soil imported onto the geotextile, followed by leveling and compaction. More bamboo frames are laid, and the process repeated, further inwards just about 20 meters. The ground is getting very soft now. The incoming tide from Manyong River makes the land even so much more softer, and the construction much more harder. However, tackling such a soft terrain being our speciality, we labor on inch by inch to build the envisaged platform. Now a beautiful platform has resulted without clearing the unsuitable materials. Piling now in progress, and soon the high-rise will be standing tall on this renewed piece of infrastructural creation. Kampong Songayu was once part of the sea, and as such the soft soil consists of the marine clay. The excavator begins to do some minor clearing, to give an even platform, for starting with the laying of bamboo grids. The geotextile is laid over the bamboo frames, as a separator, preventing the imported fill mixing with the soft soil. The fill is then compacted to the required FDT of more than 90%. During the construction, officers from MPKT are here to assess the use as well as suitability of Bamboo Geotextile Composite System for the project. A remarkable platform is now achieved and construction of the houses is now underway. The construction is now completed, and the houses are ready for occupation. These findings reiterated the conceptual development of the system in combating uncontrollable total and differential settlements, achieving most of the settlement during construction as well as time and cost savings in the project. CH-Tech Global presents to you a reliable, proven, green, sustainable, time and cost savings bamboo geotextile composite system for the treatment of very deep soft ground, with approval from JKR and LLM, and certification by most TMTDC.